Hello everybody. Today I got my parcel finally, so I'm gonna open it now and I will show you what I ordered from the very beautiful, not beautiful, like a very popular and cheap even, but it's a very nice application. I will introduce that one as well. But now I'm gonna show you what I got in my parcel. I'm tired just because I went downstairs to take this parcel, but I was very excited, so I just ran over there to take this parcel and I'm now gonna open it. Okay. Guys, I really like to open my parcel because always I'm ordering a lots of things and I'm very curious to order a lots of stuff for myself. I didn't order this time that much, but still I'm gonna show you. Tan tan! This one is very good one because I seen firstly the reviews of people about this one and I order it. Let's see how it will be. And I order my clothes as well, so I'm gonna show you what kind of the clothes I order, but I'm not gonna reveal it how it is. So very shortly I will show you the look of this clothes anyways, but just I showed you the color because guys, I don't have this kind of color clothes, so I thought like let me take a new color cloth now, so that's why this is something I order, but I even forgot what I order. This one is, oh yeah, might be this one is the tights. Yeah, no, that is the stockings I order. So this is my stockings and I ordered a body tight. As you guys can see, I'm a very chubby girl, so anyways I order my tights whenever I'm wearing one piece or something like that, short skirts or something, it giving me a tummy out, so I just order my tights, so it will be a good look, so that's why I ordered that one. So yes, and this one I order from the same application, which is the face wipes. Okay, so yeah, so I ordered this all things earlier as well. I ordered something and even I ordered some more things, which one I will get very soon, I think so. And why I ordered this all the stuffs, I will reveal it very shortly because it's a surprise for now, but I will reveal it and it's a very good surprise. So yes, this is the main thing which I want. For that reason, which I want to give you all a surprise, so this is the thing which I want to, so I finally got that. Okay, anyways, I will reveal something else as well, but later on. For now, bye bye.